Hey guys, so I'm going to talk about 310 Nutrition. If you haven't seen some of my videos where I talk about the shakes, they are coming up soon. I did tell you about the little chewables that are like melting away fat. Awesome. Check into it. I always have a link in my description with all my codes so you can save 15%. So this is new. Haven't even opened it. 310 Nutrition Keto MCT Oil. Let's talk about it and try it. So it is keto and paleo friendly, vegan, non-GMO, gluten and dairy free. I am lactose intolerant. I'm a vegetarian, but I'm not a vegan. So this is really good. It does say on the back to shake well, refrigerate after opening, and it looks like flavor would be coconut. So visit 310nutrition.com. This is 16 fluid ounce and it's for weight management. It says take 1 tablespoon or 15 mLs daily. It can also be used as salad dressing, sauces, or cooking. So let's open it. And this is just a quick review on taste and what it's used for. I will be taking this daily to see how it's working. Okay, so we got it. Let's shake it real good. And it's sealed. I don't even smell anything. But I'm gonna do, this is about 15 mLs, so. Ooh, it's thick. It's a little thick. Doesn't taste like coconut. But I could see adding this to salad. That would be easy. Or just taking a shot every day. So be careful because it does say take it with food and consult your doctor, physician, you know, before trying any new supplements. And if you're pregnant or nursing, you might want to talk to your doctor. And any medical conditions or medications that you're taking that might interfere with this. I do not take medication, so other than my Pepsid, which that's not to do with this. So it can cause GI upset, that's why I say. And you never want to take anything on an empty stomach because it can mess up your stomach really bad. And if you do notice that it's messing up your stomach, talk to your doctor about when you should take this, but preferably with food. So that was my short little review. There's no aftertaste or anything. I haven't washed it down with anything. This is unedited, unscripted version of my review. So 310, go check them out. I will be showcasing my shakes and the teas and lemonades. Stay tuned for more, guys, and stay safe.